In the near term, I think that investor-state arbitration is going to look very much like what it looks like today. It'll be the same sorts of disputes, the same sorts of treaties, and there won't be that much change. Over the longer term, however, there will be incremental change, and perhaps in the very long term, there will be more dramatic change. For example, there are a number of efforts underway to reform investor-state arbitration. These are going to proceed on the usual glacial time frame of developments in international law. It will likely take many years for a treaty reforming investor-state arbitration to be concluded, and still more years for it to be ratified and to come into force. It's always been the case that political issues, that hot-button issues, are at the forefront of investor-state arbitrations. I remember almost 25 years ago when I first started working on these cases, in the Methanex versus United States case in which I acted for the U.S. government, the issue was an environmental measure, a measure adopted by California to save its drinking water from a chemical that made drinking water taste like chemicals. Investor-state arbitration, I think, is going to be dealing with these issues as it always has, using the existing standards, which it has used over the past 25 years and more. The question is simply, are the tools available to investor-state arbitration tribunals in the form of the treaties that give them the power to decide, are those tools adequate to the task? In my view, they've largely been adequate to the task so far, and only time will tell whether that continues to be the case.